Hi, this is Lily Cotilla. Welcome to Edging Life. EMDR is a therapeutic technique designed by Francine Shapiro, and the concept of it is to get at the root of the issue that manifests in current life and relationships, work, individual experiences, etc., in a very rapid way. It transcends weeks and years of therapy by identifying the core root that feeds the current problem. So EMDR presents the issue in terms of a negative belief that you don't consciously think about, but under the surface of your behavior, of your thinking, of your ways of talking, it runs your world. Associated with that is an emotion that also contributes to the ways in which you respond and or penetrate the world. This emotion manifests somewhere in your body, so you actually have a visceral response. You're not just a talking, thinking, reacting head. EMDR connects the mind and the body to help you release this negative thought, the root of it, and all the lifelong nodules or life experiences that are associated with that root or that negative thought. Again, that you don't consciously think of, and it's simply not true. However, it's been planted as a seed early on in childhood and then grown throughout the years. And throughout the years, you've gathered various experiences that fit into this erroneous root. But you've made them fit because of angular perspectives, and it just so happens to work. What EMDR does is it pulls out this negative root and it instills a positive belief that is more accurate. And along with that positive belief is accompanied a more suited emotion that feels better in the body. You won't react the same ways to triggers in your surrounding environment that you used to prior to EMDR, because you're no longer being run by that visceral and cognitive root that has existed within you for so long. The same scenarios might present in your life, but you don't have the same attachment, the same reaction, the same inner world. So you can behave and talk and feel in a way that is more congruent with your ideal self, your true self, your heart self that hasn't been jaded and filled with erroneous and hurtful actions and responses from the world. EMDR can clear out these issues in 3 to 5 sessions, these roots. The average person has 2 to 3 core roots that permeate their lives and cause difficulties and relational friction issues when they present. So in 3 to 5 sessions, you can remove the core wounds, the pieces that cause you to act and behave in ways that ideally you don't want to be. They don't exactly know how it works, although it is supported by much research, especially with respect to PTSD and trauma and returning veterans. But something has to do with distracting the conscious mind so that you're not logically trying to come up or connect your own dots. So your senses are engaged. Your eyes are being bilaterally stimulated. You have buzzies in your hand, so your hands are being sensorily engaged. And also you have auditory back and forth slight beeps. So with all your senses engaged, your unconscious and subconscious mind makes the connections that it needs to, these nodules along the root, in order to extract it. So the bilateral balancing of both hemispheres of the brain also helps to allow you to live your life in a more balanced fashion. So If you're interested in EMDR, you know how to contact me. Thanks.